Hello, I am Daniel Becker. In the following tutorial, I'd like to show you how to set up and put a PrintoLUX stone into operation, install and set up software, create print data, prepare and print media, and then cure it with heat. You will also receive useful tips on the professional handling of your printing system and how to prepare it for transportation. I would like to take this opportunity to point out that you can also use the patented PrintoLUX process if the process components, ink, pre-treatment, and label material come from PrintoLUX. Only then will you have the patented durability and be approved by automobile manufacturers. One more tip. Please do not see this video as a substitute for the in-depth initial training provided by a PrintoLUX employee, but more as a source of useful tips and recommendations on the use of the PrintoLUX process. I hope you enjoy it. Place the PrintoLUX stone on a sturdy upright table. This will avoid vibrations caused by print head movements. Also, avoid other environmental influences, such as dust, chips, or oils in the immediate vicinity of the printing system, as dirt particles have an adverse effect on the print quality. Now connect the power plug and the USB cable. The printer comes with a USB extension if needed. You can alternatively install the PrintoLUX stone as a network printer via an Ethernet connection. I recommend that you set up the heating unit right next to the printing system to save you time.